NeoruralFutures is an intensive workshop but also a cultural program in which we have been in visit to different cultural organizations to extend our discussion about the future. How different people and organizations are creating, envisioning their strategy to confront the future to come.
Speculative Edu was an exercise, a training for me to understand what people have been doing so far in this topic, what is the approach, and one extremely important characteristic that actually came out of this workshop is the humanity aspect that came out from the people that I've been crossing during these days.
I think it is important to take from the network culture some real clear indication to working about linking people, about new value of solidarity.
It does not matter what is my image of the future, because at the end what we need is a diverse image of futures, and futures in plural. So I would say that my image for tomorrow is that there will be many images of what the future might, should or could look like.